Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Did you know AI videos, graphics, and images are making massive strides in 2023 and will continue to in the future? The amount spent on video marketing will reach $92.253 billion by the end of 2023. The demand for AI image generation tools has increased 1,700% from 2022 to 2023 alone. Short-form videos are all the rage. They capture attention, boost brand visibility, and increase engagement. 68% of marketers are already using them. YouTube Shorts hits 30 billion views every single day. TikTok has 1 billion active users. Instagram generates $33 billion in short videos revenue. Audiobooks will hit $19.4 billion in 2027. Podcasts have 424.2 million listeners. 81% of businesses use videos and ChatGPT-4 content as marketing tools. Emails, blogs, articles, and scripts are irresistible now. Marketers expect the content industry's revenue to exceed $135 billion by 2026. The chatbot industry will be worth $239.2 million by 2025. There are over 3 million chatbots in use on Facebook Messenger alone. Videos, shorts, graphics, voiceovers, chatbots, GPT-4 content present you with a massive opportunity of making money. And it's time you capitalize on these trends and make crazy profits. We are already doing this easily. Want to know how? Using a revolutionary AI GPT-4 powered app that creates hundreds of traffic pulling videos, shorts, AI graphics, voiceovers, content, and chatbots that drive hordes of buyer traffic, huge commissions, and sales, making us a profit of a minimum of $238 every day. And we do all this without ever picking up a camera or writing a script, or hiring freelancers or graphic designers, or buying third-party apps. Imagine having the power to generate AI videos, mesmerizing shorts, eye-catching AI graphics, voiceovers, and persuasive GPT-4 content, outstanding AI chatbots all at your fingertips. Introducing AI Traffic Blitz, a world-class all-in-one ChatGPT-4 AI platform. Comes loaded with AI Video Creator, AI Ultra Shorts Maker, AI Graphic Generator, AI Image Design Tools, AI Content Creator, voiceover creator, and chatbot builder, all inside the same dashboard. Meet some of our real beta users, entrepreneurs and businesses just like yours, making waves in the digital realm and riding the wave of profits. Take Sarah, for instance. She made $1,000 from a real estate client selling stunning videos and captivating shorts for their social media. Or Mark, who made $450 doing an AI graphic project for an online coach client through his Fiverr gig. And there's Emily, a content creator who transformed her career with ChatGPT-4 written blogs, emails, articles, and scripts that generated $1,200 through her blog affiliate sales. And they are making 6 figures monthly with AI Traffic Blitz, all because they've realized the power of investing in high-quality videos, shorts, AI graphics, and compelling content. But here's the catch. For every Sarah, Mark, and Emily, there are countless others still facing challenges. They're caught in the web of dependency on third-party apps, using outdated AI tools, and spending a fortune on freelancers, shooting own AI videos and recording own voiceovers, spending hours on how to use ChatGPT-4 to create videos and voiceovers, expensive monthly subscriptions that dwindle their savings, paying thousands for videos and images to stock websites, getting sued for violating copyright laws of images and videos, struggling to get customers and losing out on profits, lack of time or money and not knowing where to start at all. That is depressing. Businesses struggle to create content, but now no more struggling with content creation. With AI Traffic Blitz, take full control of your video creation. No more depending on others. That's where we introduced our Game Changer app. Create jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling videos in any niche quickly and fast. Create hundreds of attention-grabbing YouTube and Insta Shorts that drive traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers. Eye-catching and stunning 4K AI graphics for your websites, blogs, and social media at your fingertips. Instantly create and sell top-quality GPT-4 content, ads, sales copy, video scripts, and more. Generate and sell human-like professional voiceovers at lightning-fast speed in a few simple clicks. Create and deploy super smart AI customer support agents in 50-plus niches. Dominate your market and crush your competitors with world-class technology. Commercial license. Save hours spent on content creation. Let our app do it for you in minutes. Beginners can easily use this. Say no to all your worries and hurdles that stand in the way of you and your profits. No need to create or edit videos. No need to learn technical know-how. No need to invest in equipment for videos and voiceovers. No need to hire freelancers or buy pesky apps. No need to invest in AI image creation and designing. No more paying or combining different image tools. No need to write scripts or blogs, articles, or other sales content. No need to invest in creating customer support chatbots outside. No need to do it all by yourself. Everything is done for you. Just grab this life-changing software and dominate the world. And you can make more. Just grab our commercial license and launch your AI video, graphics, and content creation business with just a few minutes of work every day. These services are selling like crazy. You can easily tap into 250-plus passive income streams, providing advanced content creation services to clients around the globe. Set it up once and continue profiting 24/7. With AI Traffic Blitz, you're not just creating content, you're creating opportunities to live a dream lifestyle, to go on exotic vacations, to own a 7-figure annual business, to enjoy financial freedom. It is the most unique software that exists in the market right now. There's nothing like it. This software could have easily cost you thousands of dollars, but we're asking nowhere near those big prices. We want to make it affordable for players like you, as we want to see you make huge profits. Hence, for a limited time only, you can secure commercial license to AI Traffic Blitz for $17.95. And with our 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. If you're not satisfied, you ask and get a refund within 30 days. There's no risk. So the clock is ticking. Don't delay and miss out on the one-time low crazy price. Soon we'll be moving this price to $197 monthly. So hurry, click the buy button, and we'll see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.